Alright, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and share with you this huge custom earring order that I had. I will say now, if you're using this like I'm using it, I just press it for like 60 seconds. But because I had a huge number of earrings to do, you guys, after I did like the first one, I was like, you know what? This is going to take a while. So I actually did it on my heat press. So if you have a heat press, I put it on 375 and I did 70 seconds. And you guys, as you can see, they turned out amazing. Okay, they turned out amazing. My favorite ones, I would have to say, are these and these actually. Like, I love this. It's actually like a green color, but on here it looks like it's coming up like a teal. Love those. Love these two. You guys, I have fun with this, and I still got to make the bracelet to go with this order, the custom bracelet. So I will see you guys soon. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.